Welcome back, guys. So as you know, I've been working on this Nissan for some time now, and it is time to put the car back together from the rear end, because that's what I've been working on. Here goes the subframe. It's the rear end from an S14. Everything is still intact. I took it down all in one piece, but as you can see, the bushings are actually busted, like totally busted. I made a little slit right there, which allowed me to take it out. So basically now I'll just repeat the process on all the other three. And that'll be that. As you guys can see, it took me 5 minutes, 10 minutes to do. If not less, probably less. And we should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and let these sleep in the freezer overnight for about 24 hours, give or take, probably give, just to make sure they kind of shrink, and we can go ahead and mount these on. So after fighting with this thing for a little while, after you take the bushings out, as you can see, mine is busted. Rubber piece that's in the center of the bushing. On the back, well, on the front part of the subframe, these are stuck on the stud where the subframe bolts onto, so I'm gonna have to try and cut that out, make a line on it, and try to release it. I've looked all over YouTube removing subframes. Yeah, they tell you to remove the bushings, but they don't tell you, a lot of people, well, most people don't tell you there's a sleeve inside the bushing that needs to come out. When I put in the solid bushings, obviously it didn't fit the first time, so after researching and researching, this does have to come out. So the bushing and the sleeve on all four corners have to come out when you put the solid bushings on. At this point, I went ahead and installed the subframe back up. I didn't record it, or am going to post that, because there are many videos with information on that. It's not difficult. It's just 4 bolts. Just make sure you connect your L brackets back on each side. I was going to install the rear diff bushings, but the ones that are on the subframe are actually good. I'm not going to do that. I'll just save those bushings for the next upcoming project with the 2J. Basically with that, I'm just trying to rack up on parts and store parts so that way I have good content when that comes out. I'm trying to do my best and grow in the channel, and trying to be as informative as I can be and helpful as I can be. If you guys have any suggestions, post them down in the comment below, and we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks a lot. Peace out.